Last one. Bentley, are you sure you don't have any more toys in there anywhere? No more presents? Well, not in that. Any more presents to open?
Nope.
You got tape stuck on you?
I can't believe Santa got me. Wait a second.
What?
Santa!
Another Barbie?
I think you have this.
Nope.
I accidentally lied to you that I did see the other stuff. I didn't know what it is until I found it out in my stocking.
What else came in your stocking? Oh, you got lumps of coal? Guess you were on the naughty list this year, huh? You got books? Did Santa bring you books for your other leapfrog thing?
Nope, this
Yeah?
is actually chocolate.
It's chocolate.
Yeah, and that comes
Chocolate lumps of coal.
Oh,
Yeah?
it's real chocolate.
Okay.
How do I get this thing off?
And a game for your leapster? Santa must have known Mommy was getting that, huh?
No.
And more candy? Hang on. Is that all that was in your stocking? Bentley? Wait. Bentley, wait. What else is in your stocking? You got candy.
Empty. It's all empty.
You got chapstick.
Mommy, it's empty.
What else came in yours?
Candy, Hot Wheels, and Bumsicle with chocolate in it.
What about your books?
And books.
Are you sure that's all that Santa put in there? You sure you didn't miss something?
No, we're good.
You better check.
No, I didn't miss anything.